Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to TechUnboxPro, your trusted home for the latest and most premium smartphone previews and reviews. Today, forget everything you know about Samsung's budget lineup, because the brand new Samsung Galaxy A37 5G is about to redefine the meaning of value. If you thought the A36 was impressive, get ready, Samsung is stepping into 2026 with a device that delivers true power, style, and smart performance at a price that will shake the mid-range market. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A37 introduces a fresh, premium aesthetic inspired by Samsung's flagship DNA. Sleek edges, a refined matte finish, and a cleaner, more elevated camera module make this phone feel far richer than its price. It's built to look and feel flagship grade, a device proudly made to be seen and admired. Now let's talk performance. The Galaxy A37 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G chipset, offering faster response times, improved AI performance, and enhanced graphics efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this phone promises smooth, reliable, and lag-free performance, a huge jump from previous A-series models. For photography lovers, Samsung is stepping up big. The A37 boasts a 108-megapixel AI main camera, bringing crisp clarity, stunning details, and improved night shots. Expect enhanced color accuracy, deeper dynamic range, and professional-grade sharpness, especially in low-light scenes. Video stabilization and upgraded AI algorithms also ensure clean, steady footage for creators and vloggers. Battery life is another major win. A 5200 mAh power pack gives you full-day endurance with ease. From gaming to social media scrolling, this device stays ready. And yes, Samsung continues the premium feel with IP67 water and dust resistance, making durability a key highlight. Add in a bright 120Hz AMOLED display, smoother animations, improved haptic feedback, and Samsung's clean One UI interface, and you have a device that truly brings next-level value. This isn't just a refresh, this is a statement. So, is the Galaxy A37 the next budget king? Absolutely. All signs point to a powerful, feature-rich smartphone that raises the standard for affordable excellence. If you enjoyed this early look, make sure to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for daily premium smartphone content. More unboxings, reviews, and comparisons are coming soon. Stay tuned, stay smart, and always stay ahead in the world of tech.